What's up, guys? Happy Friday. This is the crypto market update, and we're going to dive into that trapdoor or the trampoline. Because yesterday we covered that in our video, and Bitcoin got through that trampoline area and then this morning corrected back down right back through it. So, where do we stand with that? That's what we're going to cover in this video. And are we going to continue lower, or are we going to have this 12-hour buy now signal that came in actually play out and for us to really pounce up on out of here? So starting off with the bond yields, we did pull down yesterday. If we go to the 6-hour chart, you can see we pulled down, but it looks like we may find some support right here. If we take the horizontal line, you can look at this area being a key area where we found resistance, support. So we could see a bounce from here, but we got rejected from that high down to the low. That's 786, that micro 786. So if we do pop up, 4.29% is where I'd like to see us get rejected at, and for us to roll over past this trend line here. Just say that trend line like that. Yep, and this stretches out all the way like to here. So really, like, the goal is for us to come down, break this trend line, which if we break below 4.12%, that'll be what we do. We'll break the trend line. Then if we go to the dollar had a little brief pullback earlier. It's starting to recover now. If we go to the 1-hour chart and take a look at the micro here, we're struggling to get back above this EMA ribbon, which is good. If we go to the 12-hour chart, you can see that we did pull down. We retested like right here. So we had that trend, we had support. So really, if we can come down, break this trend line, we'll come down to here around 104.25. And at that point, I'd like to see us break down further. And really, the goal is to break down through 103.5 and then ultimately 103 for a change of trend. We go to the 2-day chart, we're overextended. So any day now, we should see at least a brief pullback, or we're going to keep going up. I don't think the dollar is reversing trend, to be honest. I think we're just kind of doing a little fake breakout, and then, but like, we've overextended. So I think we're going to overextend now to the downside and come down to touch this trend line down here. So we can see we'd probably pull down, maybe next week down to here. And that would be a test of the 1 week 200 simple moving average, which is the red one. So that's what I'm expecting to see going into the end of September here, is a pull back down to here. And then really 105 is that level we don't like to be above. When we get above 105, Bitcoin starts to get a little, trapdoory, breaking down through this key level. So as long as we're below 105, then we're in good grounds. But breaking back down below 104.25, bringing us below the weekly 50 moving average, will be the key that unlocks the cryptos to shoot up. And we are seeing some positive movements out of the cryptos today. Let's go actually cover the stock market real quick. We are seeing on the daily chart us finding support on the PSAR and the EMA ribbon. We're starting to see a little pop up. If we go to the 12-hour chart, we're trying to hold this EMA ribbon as support, which we want to do, which is 15,250. And we want to get back above 15,375 and really just get above this fib overlap zone in the bigger picture. Because if we can get above that fib overlap zone, then we can give a shot at retesting the all-time highs back over here, and then potentially a new all-time high for the stock market. XRP is at 0.5017, and I feel like it's ready to have a volcano eruption. There was just like 5 minutes ago some news released about Ripple. They acquired a company called Fortress, so that could be playing a role into it. If we look at the total crypto market cap, I covered this on a shorts video yesterday. And this is the 4-day prepare to buy soon. We haven't seen a 4-day prepare to buy soon on the total crypto market cap. The last time we seen it was back here December 19, 2022. That was the bottom. The blue buy now came in, and then it was up only. It was up only for all of 2023. And then now we're back and we're at 1 trillion market cap. When we flashed it last, we we're at 750 billion market cap. So we're about 30% higher or something like that. And now we're flashing that 4-day prepare to buy soon again. And what we're seeing right now is the previous time before that, we had 4-day prepare to buy nows. And that was the start of our bear market, like real capitulation. We had the buy now confirmation come in July 16th of 2022. And really, that was the bear market bottom for a lot of altcoins like XRP. That was the bear market bottom. And then we flashed a buy now. We had relief. And then we actually just kind of slowly came down. We had our FTX crash right here, which brought us lower. Really, we should have bottomed right here. And then we had another 4-day prepare to buy soon. We had a buy now, and then it was up only. Now we have another one. And I would go out on a limb and say, once we get that 4-day buy now, the blue signal, we're going to head into another period of up only. So if you want to get updated in real time when this signal flashes that vertical blue line, then join the Discord link. It's in the bio. Ask for premium, because we have the channels that automatically send these signals into the Discord. So I'm going to pull that up. So we would be looking here, and we would go to the market drivers, and then in the total market cap, once that flashes that 4-day buy now signal, it's game on. So if you want access to all these channels here, then join the Discord, hit me up. It's Rob at Stargate, and we'll get you on a premium plan. So back to the charts. So let's look at now the altcoin market cap, and the altcoin market cap is at 322 billion. If we go to the 5-day chart, let's pull it up here. Actually, let's go to like a 1-day chart, came back down, and we're sitting on this big support zone. See this VPVR? So we have this horizontal line, like 321 billion is key for us to hold, and we have been holding it for like days now. Look at all those wicks. So it's very important that we start to press up and break through 325 billion to then press up and give pressure to the top of the void lines here. So then we can give a shot at getting up to 348, 350 billion. And really that's the key for us to break through. The altcoin season pulse chart is having a little pop today. Let's go to the daily chart. Actually, we're just really going sideways. But now this 200-day moving average is up here around 78.25%. If we can break that, we're game on. Look how the level that we're at, the VPVR just sticking out like a sore thumb. Like we're at this point where like we want to get rejected by 79.40 and we want to break below 79, and we're just jammed in the middle right now trying to make a decision. If we go to a 3-day chart, we can get a little bit of a gauge as to where the direction could go. And really, if we can just see this TSI keep going down on the 3-day, then the direction is down. If we look at Bitcoin right now, and then on the right side, if we look at the daily chart, we're holding up at that key level, 25,880. And really, the goal is to get back above 26.3K, or actually 26.4K, hold the daily body candle close above it, and then ultimately getting it back above 26.8K, where we had the rejection, we broke back through, we came down, rejection, and right now we broke above yesterday, and now we're coming back down to test. If we look at the 12-hour chart, we did flash a buy now signal. And to me, that screams that we should have upside. But let's look at the momentum and see if we're still going up here. So we do have the stock RSI going up. We really just need to see the pink and the blue cross, and that's all we're waiting for now. But the 12-hour TSI is sticking up. That's what we like to see. And the 12-hour TSI getting above that zero line is going to be key for the trend to change here, and the pink crossing above the blue. They would coincide with each other. If we look at XRP is at now 0.518. It's like a pressure cooker right now. We're at any moment could just shoot up, and where I think we come up to is 52.5 cents to 53.5 cents. And really breaking above there, that's a 786, would shoot us up to 60 cents. And from here, that's a 20% move. That's a good move. But looking at the 3-hour MACD, we're coming down here, and now it's starting to curl up. So I think that positive news earlier is really going to have us do that today. Because we came down, we pulled down to the 786. We held that support at 0.4944. We broke about, that was the medium 786. Now we have the micro 786 at 0.4986 that we held above. And really getting back above 0.5075 is what's going to shoot us up to 0.535. And if we can break above there, we're heading right to 60 cents. XLM's looking massively good as well too, ready to shoot up here. Really, if we can get above 13 cents for XLM, I believe we're going to get into the 15 to 16 cent range pretty quickly. We're seeing on the 12-hour chart, we're starting to change the EMA ribbon from red to green. And then if we go to the 1-day chart, we're starting to see that TSI cross up. We have MACD's dark green and the stock RSI, and the pink just crossed above the blue. XLM's leading the pack. So and XLM and XRP drag each other up. So XLM in comparison with XRP, like XRP should be at 60 cents already, because where XLM is in comparison is like right up here. So it's right up here. So I believe that XRP is going to be a good play because we've already seen the future with XLM, with where XRP should go. HBAR right now come back down to hold the key level around 0.495. If we look at the 12-hour chart, we got a 12-hour buy now signal, usually calls the bottoms here. And right now we're on that critical VPVR around 0.049 cents is a critical must hold. We go to the daily chart. We're just kind of rounding out here. We have a 1-day prepare to buy soon. So I'll be looking in the Discord in the HBAR signals for when that 1-day buy now flashes, because that's going to be big. So I'll be looking in here for H-bar signals for when that 1-day buy now flashes, but we do have a lot of 12 hours so far. I think that is it. So it's going to be critical for us to have a nice daily candle close today, and then we'll see how the weekend pans out and how the weekly close is, and that's going to give us a good foreshadowing of how next week will pan out. But it's very critical, those market drivers, to pull down, so then we can have cryptos pop up. So that's going to be it, guys. Join the Discord, link is in the bio. I hope you guys have a good Friday and a good weekend. I'll see you in the Discord and in the next video.